Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to enable direct messages on TikTok. If you have been wanting to chat with your friends or creators privately, I will show you how to unlock that feature in just a few simple steps. So without any further ado, let's dive in. First off, make sure you have updated your TikTok app to its latest version. To check that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now at the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in the app name TikTok and then search for it. After app appears, you'll find the option of open or update. If you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of its update process, launch it. You will be directed to the home page. Now navigate to the profile page. Click on three bars given at the top right corner. Click on the option settings and privacy. Here you're going to find different sections. Under account, you'll find the option of privacy. Click on that. Now scroll down, navigate to the option of direct messages. Click on the option allow direct messages from. Now you can select everyone, suggested friends, friends or no one. Select the option of your choice. You'll be good to go. As I have selected the option of everyone, all the people in the TikTok will be able to send me the message. So this is how you can easily enable direct messages on TikTok. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you have got any issues, you can comment down below.